David. I have to go pick up some
And what's the other one going to do?
That one's going to do Jingle Bells.
Oh, good, okay. That's excellent. What are their names?
Billy.
Uh-huh.
Bob.
Billy,
The other
Bob.
one's going to do some nice poetry.
Oh, nice.
When the nice buds sing to the petals in the air,
Good.
I know when you are singing, and I know where you are where. And believe me, I know where you are, my little birdie friend. You are the prettiest I have seen, my little robin friend. They put out